Seed to STEM presents our review of the physics workshop by Thames Kosmos. Today, Khadija and Rizwan are experimenting by creating a potato trap, learning about gravitation, mass, and weight. But more importantly, they play the game, Who Has the Best Aim? But before we get to the game, let's set up the potato trap.
Hello, my name is Khadija, and today we are going to be doing physics workshop, and we are going to learn how to make mechanics, and I'm really excited to make this today.
Alright Khadija, we just unboxed the box, and so you can see here we have the instructions, some stickers, and here is all the gears and equipment.
The first project you will make in the physics workshop is the potato trap. You will start off using a black platform, and then from there make a strong base. You will connect it with anchor pins to rods that are stacked up on each other that form a tall rod. Then you will use an anchor pin and connect it with a small rod. From there, you will drop the potato, and finally you will have the potato trap.
Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes, and it's taken a little bit longer than we expected. We had a hard time connecting this string to this matchstick, and the reason why we needed to do that was we needed to figure out exactly when we drop the potato, where is it going to land. So you can see that we put the matchstick right there, and what we're going to do next is now we're going to drop the potato in a second, and hopefully it's going to land on the matchstick, right? And that's going to allow us to measure the depth of the potato on the matchstick. Right? Let's see how far it drops. Ready? Drop it.
Oh.
Let's try it again. Drop it. Oh.
Almost.
Oh.
Can I try?
No.
Go.
Don't touch it.
It was pretty close.
Was it pretty close?
That was really great.
It's moving more right there.
Did it land on it?
It
hit it and then it rolled off.
There. Potato, what are you doing?
That's how you make mashed potatoes.
Oh, I know what's happening. This is turned. So that's probably, there it goes. It hit it, but then see, there's a mark right here.
Is it? Well, we want it to land, we want it to like smush into it.
Yeah.
You're doing too fast. Now you're just rushing it. You just dropped the potato and it landed right here. Right?
Mm-hmm.
So let's go measure it now.
It's like a flag, sort of. It's a potato flag. Ah, it got in.
Did it? Well, let's do it again. No, it didn't. Oh, it did it? Oh, it did.
It did.
All right.
It got in.
Yeah, it fell off. Nice job.
Big potato.
Big potato. All right, let's measure it. So, okay, so we completed the experiment. We're now just going to play a game. And each player has 5 turns to try to hit
The potato
Hit the
onto
potato
the thing, and
onto
I
the
already
matchstick.
won the first round with the small potato.
That's right. So now Rizwan, we're going to play with the big potato. Okay, Khadija, you go first. Okay.
Oh!
Did you get it? No, that counts. That counts.
That counts.
Yeah,
It
it
broke.
broke the potato.
It broke.
All right, that's fine. Let's go get another matchstick. All right, one.
I have one point.
Oh, I got it perfectly.
Yeah. Good to get that in slow motion. Nice. Good job.
Break that one.
That one didn't break. All right, so it's 1-1 now. How many rounds?
2 more.
Okay.
Oh! Oh, it broke again, I think.
Oh, did it?
Yeah, it broke again.
No, I think it went in,
went
but then
in.
in and out.
So that doesn't count.
Yeah, it went
Yeah,
in
broke.
and then out. I have 2 rounds and she has 1 more round, and the game is about to be over, and it's 1-1. 1-1, yeah.
This is the last round. Who's gonna win?
Yes.
We're gonna keep going to whoever wins. Go.
Got it.
No.
It's in there. It's still in there. Yeah, that's in there.
That counts. I think that counts.
That's what happened with mine.
No, that one it
was
went
still
in and then
connected.
out.
It's still connected.
Yeah, it was still connected.
Oh yeah! Look at that. All right, I think we got a tie game. That's a tie game. All right, let's do it one more time.
Silly's
Come on,
fun,
go.
fun.
Whoever, now it's the tiebreaker. Whoever gets it. Okay.
Still in. It's in. It's in.
All right.
Perfect. I got another point.
Okay, go.
No, it didn't make it. I won.
He's
I won.
He's on it. He's on one. All right, that's fun.
Sounds good at this game.
All right, so that's the potato trap, and we're gonna now learn about everything that we just learned. And here's the book that we used to kind of get this
I made it.
all the science here.
I made it. I made a second one.
When I dropped the little potato, it went about this deep. Then, when I got it in, I used the bigger potato. The bigger potato went way deeper than the little potato, which tells us that the bigger it is, the heavier it will be.
And why does that go deeper into the matchstick?
Because of gravity. Gravity pulls it down.
Right.
Gravity pulls the heavier things down. Like if I had a sledgehammer and then like a normal hammer, the sledgehammer would go way farther down.
Yeah, it'll go down faster, right?
So the difference between the Earth's gravity and the Moon's gravity is the reason why there's more gravity on the Earth than the Moon is the Moon is has 1/6 of the mass of the Earth, and so if you were like 100 pounds and you went onto the Moon, you would weigh 1/6 of 100 pounds on the Earth. On the Moon.
What does that allow you to do on the moon that you can't do on the Earth?
You can jump way farther,
Yeah.
like if you're right here,
Yep.
and then right here,
Yeah.
you can jump farther,
Yep. But you.
and then you can also jump higher a little.
But what's the difference between the moon and on being on a spaceship?
So on the Moon, you still have gravity, but in the spaceship, you're not close to any force areas that have gravity.
Yeah, like the Earth or the moon.
Yeah, like the Earth or the Moon or any other planets or things that have gravity.
Yep.
So then you're going to be floating around and there's nothing to keep you down on your spot.
That's right. Exactly right. Cool. So we just got done with the workshop 1 of this physics workshop. This is a toy we bought off of Amazon.com. It's part of their STEM Toys monthly club. We got it for $20. And you can see that we had a lot of fun with the potato drop. I spent about an hour and a half with the kids on this, and that's the one thing that you're going to need to know is, as a parent, you can't just hand this off to your kid and think they're going to have any fun or have any ability to go do it. It's pretty complicated. This is not like Lego where there's very simple instructions and on how to put the machine together. You basically get 1 or 2 photos and some text and you're going to have to figure it out. It took me about a good hour to figure it out. I had to go get some thread and make some knots, and we had a good time with that. In addition, there is a lot of science involved, and so there's a lot of, today I learned about gravitational pull and mass and a wide variety of topics, things that I actually did not know. And so the one thing I don't love about this is that it's not like you can just hand off the science to your kids and they'll figure it out. It's pretty deep, and so you're going to have to read it and then figure out a way to explain it to your kids so that they actually get it. I wish these types of toys did a little bit better job of kind of catering to a wide variety of audiences to help make the explanations a little bit more fun and easy to decipher. But I guess, they're trying to cater to newbies all the way to advanced users, and I guess that's the best they can do. We just got done with workshop 1. Next time we pull this toy out, go on to workshop 2 or 3 or 4, I'll record it, and you'll be able to see all the other activities that you can do with this toy. See ya.